Yes. Now, 2 plus 8x equal to 12x. First steps, yeah, substitute, no? This is not finding value. X equal 3. 2 times 2 plus 8 times 3 plus 12 times 3. 2, 8 times 3, 24. 12 times 3 is 36. This is 26, not equal 33. 36. It's false. Yeah, your answer correct. Good job. Next one, 9x minus 7. 3x plus 11. 9 times 3 minus 7. 3 times 3 plus 11. 9 times 3, 27. Minus 7, 20.
Oh, wait.
Sorry?
It's true. I got the wrong answer.
You also got wrong. 3 times 3, 9. Plus 11. Yeah, 20. It's true. Okay, that's fine. You got the method now correctly. Now we are going to do the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks for this equivalent equation. These are steps. They already given the step because first one, here 2x, here 5x. We want to take the 2x out. That's why they put minus 2x. Then they want to know after that operation finish, what will happen, right? I do the first one. 2x minus 2x cancel, plus 8 remainder. This one, 5x minus 2x, you have $5, you have to pay $2, left 3, plus 3. 3x, here plus 3 still remain. Answer this side is 3x plus 3. Can you do all the B, C, D now?
Yeah.